Welcome to the Nomadics Configuration Guide. We are going to set up a category to block on the Nomadics Internet Traffic Optimizer. Once you've logged into your unit, you will see the dashboard. Once you are ready to set up the category, you will want to go to the Guardian menu item, to the Policy Object submenu, and the Category Groups menu item. You'll want to create a category group. So you'll want to create a name for this category. For our example, we will name it Test. You can identify what is in this category in the comment section. We will leave it blank for this example. Then you'll want to check the box next to those items that you want to be part of this category. For this example, we want advertisements, intolerance, government, and education and reference. You can select as many or as few of the items as you would like. You can also expand some items, and then instead of selecting all sub-items, you can select just a specific sub-item. So we will also select Gore. Once you have made all the selections you want, you will click on the Save button. Once the page refreshes, you can scroll down and you can see that your category group has been created. To apply that category group to a block profile, to a block policy, you will want to go to the Guardian menu item, to the Web Filter submenu, to the Policy Wizard menu item. Once you are here, you will want to select the groups of users that will have this policy assigned to them under the Step 1 Who. For our example, we will select everyone. We'll have a policy assigned to them. You can add multiple groups. For this example, we will only use the one group of everyone. To move on to the next step, the What, click on the Next button. Once you are in the list of what you are blocking or what you are having the policy applied to, you can select from the list. We will use the category we just created, which was called Test. We will add it to the category or groups of categories that we are utilizing for this example. Once you have finished creating the what, you will want to hit Next to move to the next step as to where this policy takes effect. We will utilize Everywhere for this policy. Highlight that, click the Add button to move it to the included locations where this policy is effective. We will then click the Next button to move to when this policy takes effect. We will utilize lunchtime for our example, but you could have always, or you could create your own time slots and select them from the list. Once it is added to the included time slots, then you will be ready to click Next to move to the action of what will happen to anything that this policy affects. In our case, we want to block anything that matches this category during lunchtime, so we will leave the radio button to block. You can also select Allow, Whitelist, Soft Block, Limit to Quota, or create a policy folder, depending on what you are trying to do. Once you have selected the appropriate action, make sure that the checkbox for Enable Policy is checked so that this policy will go into effect. Click the Confirm button. You will then get a list of what you are setting up. The Who is, for our example, is everyone. The What is Test category that we created. The Where is everywhere. The When is at lunchtime. And the Action is block. Once you make sure that all of these options are what you would like to save for your policy, you click on the Save button, and you can now see in your list of policies that your policy that you created is now there and it is enabled and active. We have now set up a category to block in the Nomadix AirNet Traffic Optimizer.